Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with fast, targeted hardware checks so you don't chase software ghosts. First, confirm the monitor is set to the Displayport input and the GPU port is enabled. Next, swap the cable or use a different port to isolate a faulty cable or jack. Once done, power down both devices, unplug for 10 seconds, then reset connections and restart. This clears handshake issues and often restores signal without deeper changes. Now move into drivers and signal settings because a mismatch can block Displayport detection. You should update the GPU driver to the latest WHQL or vendor build and reboot to reload the display stack. Then, verify Windows or OS display settings, set the native resolution and proper refresh rate, and ensure extended/duplicate mode is correct. If problems persist, disable adapter power saving in Device Manager, and test the monitor on a live USB or safe mode to rule out OS-level conflicts. Finish with advanced fixes and a key troubleshooting tip you can use before RMA. If the monitor has firmware updates or a factory reset option, apply that. It can fix internal handshake bugs. Use a certified DP1, 4 cable or an active DP to HDMI adapter to bypass incompatible syncs. Finally, test the GPU on a known good display. If the problem remains, document exact symptoms and steps taken, screenshots, error codes, and behavior before contacting support or initiating a warranty return.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.